Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pattern Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally above our key level, getting above the prior support, becoming resistance, moving up to the 50, pausing right above there, and we have the first cross rotation zone. So what are we looking for now? If it does pull back, very key support, 63.22 to the prior breakout zone. We'll call it about 62.96, right in there to 6,300. So really focus on that. If we get a pullback on a continued push higher, what are we watching for? We're watching for about the 64.50 to 64.70 area, and I'll especially show you why on the daily chart, which we might as well switch to now. You know what? Let's do a Gann projection too, just to see how this is shaping up. Could have always done this one right now, and look where it paused right here. And that gives us our next level up on the base stuff. This one, 64.04, which is a minor level, which if you're picked up anything, that can definitely be used to raise the stop, and see how it comes in with the 200 period simple moving average. So we have a cluster right there. Now I'm just going to put it up here. We do have a pausing bar here. And look at this. All right, 63.41 is the next minor level, and then the next major 64.66, right in that area of 64.50 to 64.70. So that's very key. And now I can switch over to the daily chart and show you what we're looking at there. Top of the rotation zone. Now it is flat, and when it does get flatter, it loses a bit of significance, but that's right there, just in front of that 64.66 level, and this is where all these dip buyers came in before it crapped out through that level. So there might be, I'm actually looking at it as there probably will be some selling pressure coming in here of people who just want to scratch out their trade or get out at break even, and then hoping it'll pull back to buy it again lower. So really pay attention. If you did pick up something on this rally, do not ignore these key levels higher, especially since we haven't been able to sustain any kind of major rally. It's great to constantly move up your stops at these levels. So if we do get another nice sell-off, like, all right, we caught here, I thought we were going to get above here, first cross rotation zone, and then a big red bar down. So, but if you had moved up your stop, this would take you out, and then if you got that back in lower, now you're in a better position. Versus the people who didn't move up their stop, thought it was just going to keep recovering, now are stuck in the trade. Those are the people who might look to bail out at this key area we just talked about. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum spiking down, really nice divergence here, and then holding really at the sideways just above our key cluster area. I'm just going to move this down now since we have a nice long recovery. Finally, we also get the first cross in Ethereum. We have very key support now coming in. See this prior resistance right in here. That's going to be support with the rising 8 just above there to curling up and hooking up 50. 444. If we do break below that, we really don't want to close back down at 441, which is this little resistance becoming support area. Now, push higher. Let's do our projections on here too. So we got our nice pausing bar, and now we're looking at 459 as the first real level, 459 to 460, and that is some prior support. See right in here over on the left hand side, you can see all that between this 459 to 462 area. That's going to be some resistance, and then above there 464 is pretty close, but next key level 468, at least on the 4-hour chart. But let's tie that in with our daily chart, because remember, the higher time frames are more important. So we'll expand this out. Yeah, and look at this, top of the rotation zone coming in right in this cluster. So 450, really 460 to about 462, very major area to watch for. Also, you had the dip buyers come in here. They may be looking to become sellers because they were trapped by this big red bar unless they had stops in place or got out before then. Very key area to watch. So if you did get anything down here, at least use it to move up your stops or take partial profits. And everything I just said to Bitcoin holds true with Ethereum also. So what we have for you on this quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.